Verify Stokes theorem. Verify Stokes theorem. Verify Stokes theorem. For vector f is equal to 2x minus y into I minus yz square j minus y square z k, where S is the upper of surface of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1. C is its boundary. C is its boundary. Yes. Year of the equation December 17. December 17. Here first we have to write the formula of the Stokes theorem. Integral over curl C vector f dot vector dr is equal to double integral over the surface R curl of vector f dot n cap vector into vector ds. Here also they have given the condition C is the circle. C is the circle. X square plus y square is equal to 1, upper half of the sphere. So here z is equal to 0. Now let us go with the LHS side. Vector f dot vector dr. What is our vector f? 2x minus y into I minus yz square j minus y square z k dot vector dr is dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Now we have to solve the further step by using the dot product. So 2x minus y I dot I is 1 into dx minus yz square into dy j dot j is 1 minus y square z k dot k is 1 into dz. This is our f vector dot dr vector. But what they have given, z is equal to 0 because upper half of the sphere where z is equal to 0. So substitute wherever z and dz is there we have to substitute 0. So 2x minus y into dx, here z square 0, here also 0. So we get 2x minus y into dx. 2x minus y into dx. As they have given the circle, our parametric equation. So taking x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. So theta varies from 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 2 pi. But here we have r value 1. So x is equal to cos theta, y is equal to sin theta. One more thing, differentiation. Dx is equal to minus sin theta into d theta. Dy is equal to cos theta into d theta. Now we have to substitute in the LHS side. So first what we have to do, apply integral over the curve C, vector f dot vector dr is equal to integral theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Next, here 2 into x. So 2 into our x value is cos theta. Next, minus y value is sin theta. Again dx means minus sin theta into d theta. So I write minus outside. So or else you can multiply individually. Integral over the curve 0 to 2 pi minus 2 into sin theta cos theta into d theta minus into minus plus theta is equal to 0 to 2 pi sin square theta into d theta. Here we can write theta is equal to 0 to 2 pi. I will write as it is minus 2 sin theta cos theta means formula sin 2 theta into d theta plus integral limit varies from 0 to 2 pi sin square theta formula is 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2 whole into d theta. Now do the integration. Integration of sin 2 theta is minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Theta varies from 0 to 2 pi plus 1 by 2 I will write outside. Integration of 1 with respect to theta is theta minus integration of cos 2 theta is sin 2 theta divided by 2. Here also theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Now minus into minus plus. I will write 1 by 2 outside. Cos 4 pi minus cos 0. Cos 4 pi minus 0. Next. Next term is here wait a minute. Yes. Next term is here 1 by 2 I will write outside. Upper limit is 2 pi. Upper limit is 2 pi minus sin 4 pi divided by 2. Lower limit minus of 0 minus sin 0 is 0. So here 1 by 2 cos 4 pi value is 1 minus cos 0 is also 1. Again 1 by 2 into 2 pi sin 4 pi is 0. So here first term it will become 0. Second term 1 by 2 into 2 pi. So here we get answer is pi. This is the LHS side. We have to write the formula for curl vector F. We have to write the formula for curl here. Now curl vector F is equal to del cross vector F. So first we have to mention with the IJK terms. Next, in the place of del, we have to write dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Now, vector f, if you have, you can refer the question for vector f, the term ending with the I, that is 2x minus y. Next, the term ending with the j, which sign we have to write? yz square. Next term ending with the k with sign y square z. Now use the determinant rule. Dou by dou y of minus y square into z minus dou by dou z of minus y z square minus j into dou by dou x of minus y square z minus dou by dou z of 2x minus y plus k into dou by dou x of minus yz square minus dou by dou y of 2x minus y. This is the expansion. Now, I into, what is the first differentiation with respect to y? What is the first differentiation with respect to y?
Minus 2yz.
Yes, minus 2yz. Again, minus into minus, I will write plus. Again, second differentiation, yz square with respect to z. Yz square with respect to z.
2yz.
2yz. Good. Minus j into, in the first term we say, here we have to do the differentiation with respect to x, but we are not finding any x term, so just write 0. Minus here also with respect to z we have to do, but we are not finding any z term over here, so that is also 0. Plus k into here also with respect to z partially 0 minus differentiation of y with respect to first term is 0, second term is 1. So here this will become 0, minus into minus plus, only we get k. Now next, according to the formula, double integral over the surface S curl vector f dot n cap into ds, that is equal to double integral. So here curl vector f means we got our answer k. We know n cap ds is dy dz I plus dz dxj plus dx into dy into k. So k dot I is 0 plus k dot j is 0, k dot k is 1. So we get dx into dy. So here dx into dy. But dx into dy represents the area of the circle, x square plus y square is equal to 1, which is equal to pi, Therefore, integral over the circle S vector f dot n cap into ds is equal to double integral dx into dy. That double integral dx into dy represents the area of the curve. So we can write that is equal to pi. Evaluate integral over the curve C xy dx plus xy square dy by Stokes theorem where C is the square, C is the square in the xy plane, in the xy plane with vertices 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, minus 1. Here they have given the vertices. First we have to draw the graph for that vertices. So this is your x-axis and y-axis. So here just I will mark the origin. Now 1, 0. 1, 0 means it comes here. So I call this one as a. Next, here 0, 1. I call this one as a B. Here minus 1, 0, C. Here 0, minus 1, D. Now join the points. Join all the points. So this is the graph of the given vertices. Now write the Stokes theorem formula. Integral over the curve C vector f dot vector dr is equal to double integral over the surfaces curl vector f dot n cap into ds. Now vector f dot vector dr. Our vector f dot vector dr is, so already they have given directly xy into dx plus xy square into dy. Already they have given directly. So apply the integral over the curve C both sides. Now curl vector f, curl vector f, that is equal to del cross vector f, that is equal to I j k. So I j k, in the place of del write dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Now in the place of first term, that is xy, next xy square, third one is 0. Now I into dou by dou y of 0 minus dou by dou z of xy square minus j into dou by dou x of 0 minus dou by dou z of xy plus k into dou by dou x of xy square minus dou by dou y of xy. So I into first term 0 minus, here no z term, so put 0, minus j into 0, here also no z term, put 0, plus k into differentiation of xy square with respect to x, so write only y square, minus differentiation of xy with respect to y partially, so write x. Now n cap ds, that is dy dzi dz dxj dx dy k. This is the value. Now apply the double integral, that is RHS side. Curl vector f dot n cap ds, that is equal to, so curl vector f, we got k into y square minus x dot product of dy dz I plus dz dxj plus dx into dy into k. Now k dot I is 0, k dot j is 0, k dot k is 1. So we get y square minus x into dx into dy into dy. Now then from the diagram you can write x varies from -1 to 1, -1 to 1, y varies from -1 to 1, -1 to 1. Now here we have to apply in the formula curl vector f dot n cap into ds, that is equal to, first we have to change using the changing the order of integration, so it comes here dy into dx. So y varies from -1 to 1, x also varies from -1 to 1. So first integration, integral x is equal to -1 to 1 y cube by 3 minus xy. So y varies from -1 to 1 into dx. So yes, again integral x is equal to -1 to 1. Here upper limit is 1 by 3 minus x, lower limit minus of -1 by 3, that is plus 1 by 3. Again in the place of y value we have to substitute minus. So minus of x into -1 into dx. So we get, yes, we get here x is equal to -1 to 1. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3 minus x, minus into minus plus x. Here I just write this step once again. Here x is equal to -1 to 1. Upper limit is 1 by 3. Again upper limit for the second term is x. Lower limit minus of -1 by 3 minus x into -1 into dx. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 2 by 3 minus x, again minus x into dx. So here integral -1 to 1, 2 by 3 minus 2x into dx. So integration 2 by 3x minus 2x square divided by 2 minus 1 to 1. So here 1 by 3, again minus 1. Lower limit minus, here I 2 should. So here 2 by 3, again minus of minus 1 whole square. So we get 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is 4 by 3, minus 1 here, minus 1 whole square is plus 1, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So plus 1 minus 1, we get 0. So answer is 4 by 3. Stokes theorem for vector f is equal to x square plus y square into I minus 2xyj taken round the rectangle bounded by the lines x is equal to plus or minus a, y is equal to 0 and y is equal to b. This is a question paper problem, right? December 16, June 17. December 16, June 17. Yes, let us see the graph first. This is x-axis and this is y. This I call it as a O, 0, 0. First one, x is equal to 0. So x is equal to a to y is equal to 0. So I just write a comma 0. Next, x is equal to minus a comma 0. This I call this as a and this is our b. Next, this is 0 comma b. So here we get a comma b and here also minus a comma b. One is for 0 and one is for b. First we have to write a to 0 minus a to 0. Then a to b again minus a to b. So direction you have to mention. Yes, direction O to B, then B to C, C to D, again D to A. D to A. One is from A to B. A to B. Next B to C. A to B is minus a comma 0 to plus a comma 0. Next A to B means B to C means a comma B. C to D means minus a comma B. So it is a rectangle. Now write the Stokes theorem formula. Integral over the curve C vector f dot vector dr is equal to double integral over the surface S curl vector f dot n cap ds. Now let us write the LHS side with the curve. So first curve A to B. So that is vector f dot vector dr. Next curve B to C. Vector f dot vector dr. Next C to D. Vector f dot vector dr. Plus again see the direction D to A. So vector f dot vector dr. Now I just define this in terms of I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4. Before going for the curve, we just find out vector f dot vector dr. That is x square y square into I minus 2xy into j. This is the vector f dot dxi dyj dzk. This is the value of the vector r. Now using the dot product, we will find out the vector f dot vector dr, x square plus y square into dx minus 2xy into dy. Now come for the first curve along AB. Along AB we have common point, that is y is equal to 0. That means dy is equal to 0. X varies from minus a to a, means minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a. Now I1, wherever y is there we have to write 0. So here where I have underlined, here we have to substitute in the place of y and also in the place of dy we have to write 0. So x square plus 0 means x square into dx. Second term completely it will become 0. Now x square integration is x cube divided by 3. So x is equal to minus a to a. That is equal to upper limit a cube divided by 3 minus of lower limit minus a cube divided by 3. So we get 2a cube divided by 3. I call this as a equation 1. This one as a equation 2. Now along BC. Along BC. So here we can find the common point x is equal to a. So dx is equal to 0. Y varies from 0 to b. I2 is equal to y is equal to 0 to b. Again a, in the place of x I will write a square plus y square. In the place of dx I will write 0 minus 2 into a into y into dy. So completely this term it will become 0 minus integration of y with respect to y, means minus 2a, integration of y is y square by 2. 2 will get cancelled. Limit varies from 0 to b. So we get minus ab square. I call this one as a equation 3. Next, along CD. Along CD. Here also y is having the common point, that is equal to b. So dy is equal to 0. X varies from, see the direction, x varies from a to minus a. Upper limit will be minus a. So I3 is equal to x is equal to a to minus a. Wherever y is there we have to substitute b. So x square plus b square into dx. dy is 0. So second term completely it will become 0. So integration of x square is x cube by 3. Integration of 1 with respect to x is x into b square. So x is equal to a to minus a. So here, so upper limit minus a cube by 3 minus a into b square. Next lower limit minus of a cube by 3 again plus ab square. So we get minus 2a cube divided by 3 minus 2ab square. This is the equation 4. This is the equation 4. Next, last curve, that is D to A. Here the curve along DA. Along DA, common point is x is equal to minus a. So dx is equal to 0. Y varies from D to A means b less than or equal to y less than or equal to 0. So again I4, wherever x is there we have to substitute minus a. So y is equal to b to 0. So minus a whole square plus y square into 0 because dx is 0. Minus 2 into x value is minus a into y into dy. So completely this term it will become 0. That is equal to minus into minus plus 2a I will write outside. Integration of y is y square by 2. 2 will get cancelled. Limit y is equal to b to 0. So we get minus ab square. Substitute equation 2, 3, 4, 5 in equation 1. In equation 1. So when you add the equation 1, I is equal to, equation 2 is 2a cube divided by 3 minus ab square minus 2a cube divided by 3 2ab square minus ab square. So 2a cube by 3, 2a cube by 3 will get cancelled. Minus 4 times of ab square. This is the answer for the LHS. Defining the RHS side, first we wrote the formula. So according to that we have to find out the term. Curl vector F. We all know the formula del cross vector F. Del cross vector F means I, J, K. Del means dou by dou X, dou by dou Y, dou by dou Z. Next, F vector F, X square, Y square, minus 2XY. K term is not there, put 0. I into dou by dou Y of 0 minus dou by dou Z of minus 2XY minus J dou by dou X of 0 minus dou by dou Z of X square plus Y square plus K dou by dou X of minus 2XY minus dou by dou Y of X square plus Y square. So here first term is 0. Second term there is no Z, put 0. Minus J 0. Here also no Z term, put 0. Plus K into differentiation of minus 2xy with respect to x is minus 2y minus differentiation of y square with respect to y is 2y because first term is 0. So we 4y k. Now apply the double integral. So curl vector F dot n cap into ds is equal to minus 4yk dot n cap ds means dy dzi plus dz dxj plus dx into dy k. So k dot I 0, k dot j 0, k dot k 1. So here minus is there. So minus 4y dx into dy. So I write minus 4 outside. I use here the changing the order of integration. So y is equal to x is equal to. If you see the graph, y varies from. Y varies from here 0, 0 I defined in the graph. Here 0, b. So y varies from 0 to b. X here minus a, 0. Again here this side a, 0. So x varies from minus a to a. So minus 4x is equal to minus a to a. Differentiation of y is y square by 2. So y is equal to 0 to b. Here dx 2 ones are 2 twos are, so minus 2. When you substitute the upper limit, it will come b square. So minus a to a 1 into dx. So minus 2b square integration of 1 with respect to x is x. X is equal to minus a to a. Minus 2b square upper limit is a. Minus of lower limit is minus a. So 2a. A plus a is 2a. 2 into 2 4. So minus 4a b square.